3 4 5 and single crochet in the space. After repeat the same pattern. And when come to this between here, have to make a single crochet one time and slip stitch again. Continue, change color. Make 8 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and make double crochet in the single crochet. And after make a 3 chain, take this stitch up the brown here, make slip stitch in the third chain here, and next row, next round, make slip stitch one time and 3 chain and make double crochet 8 times in space, this space. 1 2 the last, make a slip stitch in the third chain. 1 2 3 and 1 slip stitch and 3 chain, 2 3 and make double crochet 8 times in this space. 1 and 8 double crochet and make slip stitch in the chain 1 2 3 on the fourth 4 here, double crochet slip stitch